How to create lead and convert it to opportunity. Let's see. Let's go into the menu section. From here, we'll select CRM module. As you can see here, this lead submenu is available. So we'll click on this. This is the lead dashboard where all our leads are available. We can create a new lead from here. Just click on this create button and it will take us to the form where we will put all our details about the lead. For example, let me put in pricing for the chair. So this is the inquiry that I want to raise. The lead will get converted into opportunity. Here we will put in the details of the customer like the company name, address of the customer, website, language. Then we'll assign the salesperson and the sales team for handling this lead. Also, we can add tags for this lead. For example, I'm putting XYZ tag. You can put in any tag you feel suitable. Here, internal notes that you want to add so that sales team or any other team could check it. Like I just want to check the price of the office chair and extra info, any other extra info about the lead, that from where the source of this lead, any medium from where it raised or referred by. So we can put in all the details. So putting all these leads, we can save our lead from here by clicking on save button. Now we are getting two options above. This is convert to opportunity or mark as lost. So when this lead will be generated, this will be seen by the sales team. So if they find this lead useful and interesting, then they will convert this to opportunity by clicking on this button, and simply this lead will get converted into opportunity. And if they find it not relevant, then this will simply make it lost. I'm just converting it to opportunity. So here we are getting some options like convert to opportunity or merge with existing opportunities. So in CRM we have some opportunities. This gives us option which option we want to select to convert into a new opportunity or merge with the existing one. So we want to convert into a new opportunity and assign this opportunity to salesperson. So we can set those salesperson and sales team from here. We can also link the customer. This customer is new customer or is a existing customer, or do not link this opportunity with any customer. So we can create a new customer or link to an existing customer. So existing customer we have in the system is XYZ. These are the customers. We can link it with those. So I'm selecting do not link to a customer and create opportunity. So this opportunity will be created, and all the opportunities that we create comes inside our CRM dashboard. So here you can see pricing for chair comes in under the new stage of the CRM. So this way we create lead and convert that into opportunity.